But first, there was a man just got himself a fancy new convertible car. And he's out hot dogging it on the road, driving way too fast. And sure enough, a highway patrol person comes up behind him with his lights flashing, trying to get him to pull over. And the fellow is so caught up in enjoying his new convertible and speeding, he doesn't notice at first the highway patrolman, but finally does. And he says, "Oh, I better pull over." Pulls over. The highway patrol officer comes over to him and says, "You know you were speeding." And he says, "Yes, officer, I'm sorry. I was so excited with my new car. I apologize." And the highway patrolman says to him, "Well, I tell you what, it's the end of the day here on Friday. I don't want to do a lot of paperwork. If you can give me an excuse I've never heard before, then I'll let you go." And the man thinks, he says, "Well, I'll tell you, this is the truth. Many years ago, my wife left me, and she left me for a highway patrol officer. And when I saw you behind me with your lights flashing and your siren going, I thought you were trying to bring her back to me." So, there you go, best excuse.